Dalet provides media asset management solutions for the broadcast industry.
We have an underlying MAM layer, which we use to build solutions for specific workflows, whether it's news, sports, radio, or obviously MAM solutions for archive and program preparation.
Part of our solution is to provide an IT infrastructure that works for all broadcasters.
We've been working with Quantum for a little over 6 years now.
And Quantum was one of our first partners to be validated by our R&D labs.
We use all their range of products, whether it's for online storage or nearline storage, their hardware solutions as well as their software products. It's not just about the technology, it's about the solution. People are starting to move from tape environments to tapeless environments and file-based workflows, but they really need to get to the next step where they're managing these workflows well.
When you deal with media production workflows, you need to manage large amount of users and you need the storage infrastructure that works with it, and that's what we found in Quantum.
At Dalet, we're really looking forward to delivering solutions with Quantum for today and the future.